I found a 5-minute binary option strategy that changed my life, and I did it between soul-crushing meetings at a job I hated. This is the story of how a simple strategy let me quit my job for good. But wait, this is not the video you think it is. This is not a story about a magic formula. This is a story about risk, reality, and a hard look at an industry. An industry that is literally designed for you to lose. I'll show you exactly how I did it. But more importantly, I'll tell you the truth that other channels keep quiet. It's a story of how I walked through a minefield and the brutal reasons why almost everyone who tries to follow me will get blown up. Because what I'm about to share could be the most important lesson of your life. Picture this: awful fluorescent lights, the endless drone of a conference call, and me staring at a spreadsheet, feeling my life drain away with every quarterly report. My salary was just enough to keep me showing up, but nowhere near enough to feel free. I was trapped. And like so many of us, I started looking for an escape route online. That's when I stumbled into the world of binary options. The ads are intoxicating, aren't they? Screaming cars, laptops on the beach, and promises of massive profits. They make it look so easy. Just predict whether the price will go up or down in a few minutes. Sounds simple, right? They promote platforms like Pocket Option with their sleek apps and bonuses. All of it creates this incredible pull. Like you can make money with just a couple of clicks. It felt like a secret key, a way to fight back against the soul-crushing monotony of my job. I could do it during a boring meeting. I could do it on my lunch break. I was already imagining earning my day's salary in just a few minutes, while my boss was talking about synergy. The hook was swallowed deep. I decided to take the bait, opened an account, and deposited a few $100s. Money I genuinely couldn't afford to lose. My first $100 deposit felt like an adrenaline shot. My heart was pounding. I placed my first trade on EUR/USD. 5 minutes on the timer. I clicked higher, betting the price would go up. For 3 agonizing minutes, though, my stomach dropped. Then in the last 2 minutes, it shot up. I won. Just like that. 85% profit. It was the easiest money I had ever made. And right here is where the real danger begins. Did you know that the first win is the worst thing that can happen to you? Because it makes you feel like a genius. Invincible. I started trading more. A lot more. But I wasn't thinking. I was just gambling. I'd win one, lose one, and lose 2 more. I felt that desperate, sick urge to win back my losses. Revenge trading. In one day, those $500 plus my small profit were gone. Financial regulators show that 74% to 89% of retail accounts lose money. I became that statistic. Broken but not defeated. I refused to believe it was just chance. I spent weeks studying technical analysis. That's when I developed what I called my 5-minute strategy. Bollinger Bands combined with RSI. When the price touched the outer Bollinger Band, it was overstretched. And RSI confirmed it. When both signals lined up, I bet in the opposite direction. On a short-term price correction. Austin, as someone with vast experience in the financial markets, knows this. He understands how to generate extra profit, comparable to a salary, even with small capital. And that profit can then be invested long-term to create real wealth. In his Telegram channel, Easy Austin, he shares exactly these kinds of real approaches. It's not about gambling, it's about building a financial future. Subscribe to Easy Austin. But here's the most important warning in this video. The math is built against you. Risk $100 to potentially win $85. You need a 54% win rate just to break even. The house always wins. The real battle wasn't the market. It was my own psychology. Greed and fear. Every time I held back from a reckless trade after a loss, that felt like a real win. Slowly, it started working. My account grew. First hundreds, then thousands. My win rate held around 60 to 65%. Not the 90% guaranteed returns you say online, but enough. The feeling wasn't joy. It was constant draining anxiety. Have you ever wondered if the success stories you see are just survivorship bias? I was lucky. Period. Anyone who tells you luck plays no major role is trying to sell you something. After about a year, my trading income consistently exceeded my monthly salary. I walked into my boss's office and quit. But please, don't take my story as an advertisement. If you're serious about creating a financial future, don't start here. Instead of looking for a secret money button, focus on increasing your income. In my Telegram channel, @EasyAustin, I explain how to build a system rather than relying on luck. How to use real financial markets to create capital, not for gambling. My goal isn't to sell you a fantasy, but to give you the brutal reality so you can protect your money. Subscribe to Our Easy Austin and start building real wealth. Thanks for watching.